The Samsung Galaxy S9 is now shown on video, renders, and everything you could think about. The LG G7 is reportedly still on schedule, but we're actually not sure what that means. And prepare, as it seems that there is a modern iPad in the works. I'm Jaime Rivera, and believe it or not, this would be the second video edited by my son. Kudos to you, Diego. Thank you so much. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. As much as the Essential phone has not been met with fanfare, it still continues to be a great device, and the camera has gotten a lot better over time. It currently is on Amazon for just $434. So if I had to pick between any other options available on Amazon for that price range, I'd probably go for the Essential phone. You can learn more in the description. Now, let's talk about LG in a very interesting turn of events. I mean, we've been covering for the past couple of weeks that there will be no G7 at MWC, and yet the company has just pretty much published a statement that confirms that the company is still working on the G7, that it is still on schedule, but at this time, the only press invite we don't have for MWC is LG. So exactly what does on schedule mean is one of the biggest questions, as the Gs have historically been announced at MWC. We'll keep you posted. Now, let's move the spotlight over to iOS 11.3. There are a couple of changes like new Animojis. Most interesting is the fact that eventually at some beta, because it's currently on beta 1, we will be getting the update that will bring the whole power management feature. It's still not there. Most interesting, if you dig within the firmware, there is a modern iPad being mentioned. Now, for those of you that didn't know, the iPhone X was being dubbed the modern iPhone at the beginning on firmware updates. So could this be another iPad that will now bring Face ID, and I don't even know why I said another, but you get the point. It seems that we're getting an iPad with Face ID and no bezels. That would be awesome. Now, let's talk about the Vivo X20 Plus UD, that phone that made headlines at CES because of the embedded fingerprint scanner on the display with Synaptics. For those of you that are wondering, well, the phone will be available in China on January 29th at a price tag of around $565, which is great. We usually don't cover phones that are exclusive to China, but this one is important because of the technology that it brings. Hopefully it makes it to other smartphones, even if made by the same parent company. And finally, the very hot news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy S9. We've got like 3 posts covering the fact that it's available now in renders, that there's a video on Weibo showing tests, that there are case render leaks, and usually these case makers don't get it wrong. So this is pretty much the final design. Most interesting changes are the vertical design of the fingerprint scanner at the back, not the front, with the camera, and also the fact that if you notice, the bezels are slimmer at the top and bottom. All this is great, fine, and dandy. It leads me to the question today. I mean, after all the rumors you've seen, do you like the Samsung Galaxy S9 as shown on rumors? In my case, I honestly love everything I see. That's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion first. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our thoughts on the Google Pixel 2 XL down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.